Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is the new Morgan Wallen song. A friend of mine recently sent it over to me, let me know that it had been released, so I wanted to do a video on it for you guys. I love Morgan Wallen. He's got to be my favorite artist, country artist for sure, and probably my favorite overall artist. I love Morgan Wallen, and I love the message in this song, just of redemption and things. So, and I also think we should just not judge each other. I think that's like such a good message to have because we don't know where people are at and things. So anyway, this song is in standard tuning and doesn't have a capo. I'm going to show you how to play the intro, and then the verses and the chorus. It's not a difficult song. You don't have to play the intro by picking it, but I'm going to show you how to do that too. So the intro, the way you're going to pick it is you're going to start on the D string on the 2nd fret, and you're just going to do a slide to the 4th fret, okay? So you're going to do just with only one pluck. So you go 2, 4, 2. Okay, 2, 4, 2. And then you're going to go onto the 2nd fret on the A string and hit and be on the 2nd fret and slide 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And then you're going to pluck again and then go to 7. This is all on the A string right here. 7, so 5, 7, 5. And then pluck that on 5, so the A string on 5, okay? And then go down to 2. And then open, okay? So you just do, and then pull off on that. You don't actually have to pluck it. You could, but you don't have to. And then at the end of it, you're gonna do, similar to the beginning, you're gonna do 2 on the D string, and you're gonna do slide up to 4, and then pluck it again, and then slide down to 2, and then just pluck 2, the D string open. So it goes like this. Just like that, okay? So that's how you play the intro. Now if you don't want to play that, you can just do strums, and you can just do D, G, D. Just like that. Down, 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 down. See, and so it's just D, 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 G, 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 D. Okay, you can just do that. Now, when you start the lyrics, you're going to do that same thing. You're going to do D, G, D to start, okay, in the verse. You're going to do boy is where you start with D, and you're just doing down strums on each lyric. Boy gets a guitar, starts and starts. Okay, so starts is G, starts writing songs. So songs is D again. Songs about whiskey and women and getting. So getting is G. Getting too stoned. So the only one I skipped was 2. You could play the chord there, but I'm giving you guys a little, myself and you guys a little creative license. Too stoned. He got all 3 at the first. Okay, so you're gonna do at the first is G. First show he played. So played, you're not gonna do D, you're gonna do B minor. Played. Hometown says I. So I is where you switch to D. I don't think Jesus done it. So on here you're gonna do it different. You're gonna go done it is G. Done it that way. And I think that sounds better. Now you could just do straight down strums, but it's down, up, okay, down, up, down, up, down. But you could just do done it that way, okay? But either way, you're gonna play G on done it that way. Way is D, way. And then second verse is the same as that first one. So if you wanted to, you would do boy gets a guitar and starts is where you go to G, starts writing songs, so songs is D. About whiskey, staying on D here, about whiskey and women and getting, so getting is G, getting too stoned. He got all 3 at the first, sorry I messed that up, but first show he played. Okay, so remember I just switched to B minor, played. Hometown says I is D, I don't think Jesus done it that way. So G is done it that way. Down, up, down, up, down, down. Or just down, up, down. Either one, okay, we'll work there. Now when you get to the chorus, you're gonna do a different chord progression. You're gonna do G, if I was him, and you're still just doing those down strums, okay? Now, if you wanna be more creative and throw more into it, go ahead, but it's if is G, if I was him, I'd say to hell. So to hell is D, and you're doing down, so I'm going, if I was him, I'd say to hell. So you're doing down, up, okay? Okay, so you're doing down, up, like that. If I was him, I'd say down, up, down. Okay, so you're doing down, up, down on To Hell With You. And then you go to A, helping you, and then down, up, down. Okay, and then you're gonna go back to G. So far you're doing G, D, A, and A is on ain't. Find someone else to give heaven. So you're doing down, up on heaven, heaven too, I'm telling you. So then I'm is A, I'm telling you. You're just doing down, up, down. Okay, and then you're gonna go to B minor on I'd shame me, and you can play it just straight downs. I'd shame me, I'd blame, and then blame you do A. Blame me, I'd make is G. Make me pay for my mistakes. Mistakes, you do E minor. Mistakes, and I would do down, up, down. Okay, just like that, and let it ring a little bit. But and then I is, you're gonna do like you did for the first verse. Okay, you're gonna do D, G, D here. But I is D. I don't think Jesus does it, and then does it is G. Does it, so does it that way. So you do down, up, down, just like that. Okay, that's actually how you play the whole song. Super easy, beautiful song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching, and see me next time.